thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're welcome. Say hello to your girlfriend. From Chris Live USA, live in Sonoma, California. Bukas pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami sa Arizona. So, it's getting warmer here in California, you know. And it's been a lot of wildfire. So, sa mga ganitong pagkakataong mainit, ito ang ating, diba? Ito ang ating kasama palagi, ang ating portable fan. Diba? Can you say hi to my friend who is watching, Dick Hardagan? Hello, Dick, Mr. Dick Hardagan from Steven Knight. Is he really watching? I don't see his name here. Mega love shout out to your friend, Mr. Steven Knight. Okay? Ayan. Hayaan lang natin pumasok ang mga mumo. Magpaaliw-aliw muna tayo sa mga mumo. Kasi dagdag views din yan. Diba? Did you guys hit the like button of this live premiere? Okay. I don't want you guys get tired of my face, so I will take you to my backyard here. I'll take you to the backyard here and show you the plants here. Yeah. Diba? Lamig-lamig. Ayan. Yan. It's very nice. I'm gonna bring this to Europe. And then, very portable, diba? And then, pwede ko siyang gawing flashlight. Diba? Shout out to Mizo Orne. Could give a shout out to Mizo Orne, please. Steven Knight. Okay. Shout out to Mr. Mizo Orne from Steven Knight. It's a nice day today, guys. Oh, malamig-lamig sa umaga. Maganda dito sa umaga. Malamig. It's nice in the morning here in Sonoma, California. is cooler in the morning. Busy ako cleaning